All right, we are Todd and Shelley Gooch. We are new customers for Home Perfect Restoration. We had a water leak in our kitchen back in early June of this year that manifested into a full kitchen remodel. So we started off with our insurance company, and they used another company to demo and to try out the job, but we had connections through Home Perfect that we wanted to explore for the renovation and upgrades that we did. Like I said, led to a full kitchen remodel, and we have had folks from Home Perfect at our house for the last several months with all of the various things that we had upgraded. But we had a fabulous experience. There was great communication between Mike Merlot and David and Oscar, who were mostly at our house. There were things that they saw that needed to be corrected before we even saw, and so they took care of those items before we even noticed them sometimes. So, and even things that we did notice, they just had an attitude. They just wanted to make it right. They wanted us to be happy. So, like I said, it was a great experience. I'm a 30-year veteran of the fire service, and my opinion of home restoration companies was completely inaccurate based on what we have personally experienced here with Home Perfect. We have a beautiful new kitchen with upgrades, and my wife is happy. So,
Yes.
Need we say more?
I have something to add from a woman's perspective. I was extremely uptight because we had so much money on the line, and every decision had to be perfect. And every single person who came out to our house was wonderful. They took the time and they were very patient with me. They explained why they were doing something, why it looked that way at that point. And I was so happy. I totally trusted everybody that came out, and we're going to miss them.